What is freelancing? Actually, the freelancing is free to work anywhere from any place in the world. There is no boundary and there is no limit or there is no boss. Freelancing in Bangladesh, according to the ICT division of Bangladesh government, there are 6,50,000 freelancers in Bangladesh, of which 5 lakh are actively working in Bangladesh. Why freelancing? Why you should start freelancing? Actually, if you want to work from anywhere without any pressure, mentally or physically, uh, and you are free to work anywhere from any place, no problem. And another question is, what is the benefits of freelancing? So the benefits actually have, you can, you are also your boss, and you can do the job or not, no problem. There is no boss and no pressure, and so you can enjoy a lot by doing this freelancing, and you can work from anywhere without any limits, and you can do whenever you want. And how can you start freelancing? Actually, you can start freelancing by specialized on specific topics, and then you can start freelancing. However, there are some basic freelancings as like YouTubers and bloggers and sale marketing and selling and digital marketing, which is called. And these are the freelancing is the easiest way. Affiliate marketing, but you can also do some specific work if you have enough experience and enough work experienced and project experience. Then you can do freelancing by their specific websites. So now, the job or freelancing. Your job is 9 to 5, the same workload, salary maybe or not. Travel, you have to travel, and there is a boss who can force you. Maybe you have no freedom. And the freelancing, you have 100% freedom. You can work from different work, and you can earn more than 3 times, and you can work from home or from workplace. Nobody ask you any question. No aggressive boss there. Is freelancing is risky? Yes, it is sometimes risky, because you may be success or you may be fail, but it depends on you. Because for example, you have experience on topics. Now you can do freelancing easily, but if you have no experience but you applied and failed, then you must be fail, and you have to have some knowledge, minimum knowledge, to understanding the buyers who is giving work to you, uh, buyer's voice and his instructions, follow his instructions regular basis. And this is not a limited job, this is unlimited job, but has some risk, and there is a possibilities of no earn. So it is a long time goal. It need 3 to 6 months expensive preparation, mentally and financially. You have to prepare mentally, and you don't think about financially, because first time you have to work with low price, but ultimately your work per hour may be increased. How much I can earn? Actually, it is depends on you and your expertise, and it depends on your skill. Now, skills required for becoming a freelancer: you have to be confident, you have a plan and passion to learn new software or new uh, items. Communications is a must. Marketing, you have to know the marketing policies. Handling stress. So basic requirements for freelancing is you must have a laptop or computer, because if you have mobile you can do it, but mobile is has a screen. The screen is small size, but in the laptop and computer has big size, so you can do easily freelancing. And you need internet connectivity, of course, uninterruptible. And your skills is important here, because without skills you cannot do freelancing. And your communication skill should be excellent. You should not be so angry for any reasons. You have to polite, and your portfolio should be excellent, because without portfolio the buyers do not understand you and you what you know and how you can perform. They actually understand by watching your portfolio, by viewing your portfolio. Okay, now the freelancing websites where you can work, Upwork, Fiverr is the most popular. In freelancer.com, 99 designs for the designer, YouTube, and Teespring. Teespring is also important for graphics designer and animator. And then how can you payment? Actually, in Bangladesh, there is a PayPal system is not updated, but there is an option in PayPal. There's Zoom, so you can install the Zoom, and they can provide you in the Mastercard, so you can take money from anywhere in the world and even Bangladesh, no problem. So the payment method for freelancing is so easy. And another option is Payoneer, or bank transfer. In the Payoneer there is a account, for example US account, US bank account, and you can transfer within few days or one day. For example, freelancing for gap course: graphics design, 3D animation, motion graphics, video editing, voice voice recognition, and voice add in the videos, and merge, and some animation. These are the freelancing for the gap course. So software skills for freelancing: you have to know, as a graphics designer you have to know the Photoshop, Illustrator, Animator, Adobe Premiere Pro, and 3ds Max, which is very important for the graphics design. Thank you very much.